Saving money to buy a house requires disciplined financial planning and strategic budgeting. Here's a brief guide. Set a clear goal. Define your target home price, down payment amount, and desired time frame. Having specific goals provides clarity and motivation. Create a budget. Develop a detailed budget outlining your income and all expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back to increase your savings capacity. Prioritize saving. Make saving a priority. Set aside a fixed amount each month specifically for your house fund. Consider automating transfers to ensure consistency. Emergency fund. Build and maintain an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. This prevents you from tapping into your house savings for unforeseen circumstances. Cut unnecessary expenses. Trim discretionary spending on non-essential items. Redirect these funds to your house savings. Sacrifices made now can lead to home ownership later. Increase income. Explore opportunities to increase your income, such as side gigs, part-time work, or freelancing. Supplementing your earnings accelerates your savings. Negotiate bills. Negotiate lower rates for bills like utilities, insurance, and subscriptions. Redirect the savings towards your house fund. Explore down payment assistance programs. Research government or local programs that offer down payment assistance to eligible home buyers. Take advantage of any available resources. Invest wisely. Consider low-risk investments to grow your savings over time. Consult with a financial advisor to explore investment options aligned with your goals. Stay disciplined. Consistently stick to your savings plan. Regularly review your progress, adjust your budget as needed, and stay focused on your goal of home ownership.